Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Healy pneumatic forklift, model number CPQYD30-KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 6,000 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel. In this case, that's gasoline and LP, and you'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics. While I'm on this side, I'll show you it has a cup holder as well. Now, coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches. And it has your hang-on side shift. Now this will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now these tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we've got lots of lights up here with these ultra bright LED headlights, as well as these combination lights up on top that have that work light, as well as your turn signals. Coming inside of the cab, we have lots more features, including this fully adjustable steering column, as well as that steering wheel knob. We also have that convex rear view mirror. Back there on that back pillar, you can see we have that rear pillar handle with a horn, which is a great safety feature. And coming up here to the seat, we have this high visibility seat belt on a fully adjustable full suspension seat that not only moves forwards and backwards and changes with your incline and recline, but also adjusts with your suspension. Now coming back here to the back, we have lots more lights, including those rear combination lights. Those show you not only your brake lights, as well as your turn signals, and that backup light, and you'll hear the alarm. And you'll see up there on the top, we have that magnetic strobe that is movable. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.